So please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Hari Keshav Sai. I am not working right now. I have been working, but I wanted to pursue a career in electric vehicle, so I chose Cloudkampus to go ahead with it.
And why did you choose the EV program?
EV because my background is from mechanical, so right now all automobile has been shifting to electric.
Yeah.
So electric is going to be the future for next 20 years at least. So that's when I thought this would be a best course.
Interesting. And why would you like to pursue a career in electric vehicle technology?
I would like it because I'm into automobile. I like riding and all that. But now I'll be missing it because everything is going to become electrical.
Yeah.
So once it's electric, if I design it and I'll know what's happening, it's better for me to ride my own fastest electric bike in future.
Wow, you sound like you're going to modify your electric vehicle into the fastest electric vehicle out there.
I'm hoping if that happens, I'll be really happy.
Awesome. We're looking forward for that. And what do you think about the India's adaptation towards electric vehicle technology?
I think it is time for us to adapt electric vehicle, and most of it should become electrical at least for some time to save our earth.
Yeah.
Because of all globalization, I mean, we know what's happening.
Yeah, global warming.
Global warming,
Yeah.
mainly, and because of that,
Yeah.
we need to plant more trees and go electric for at least next few years to save our future generation.
Definitely. So have you ever ridden an electric vehicle?
Yeah, I've ridden an electric vehicle and it was I liked it actually because it was faster than any normal moped, and also you had 3 different modes which made me feel like
A racer.
race, yeah.
Electric
It
racer.
was, yeah, electric racer or something.
Awesome. And how was your experience at Cloudkampus so far?
Cloudkampus, I had a good experience here. I finished my course last month in December. I'm just waiting for some internships or job placements through Cloudkampus.
Okay. And are you excited for that placements and internship via Cloudkampus?
Yeah, I'm excited for it. I'm actually in touch with most of them and I am excited because I want to work for electric vehicles hereafter.
Awesome. And I wish talents like you all the best.
Thank you.
And great things are going to be coming towards your way, alright?
Thank you.
Awesome.